and an introduction to the mechanics course, the machinery mechanics course here at Writtle University College. My name's Arnold Fenner. I teach here on this course. It's 15 days, 1 day a week, through the winter period. We typically start in November, and it's open to anybody who wants to attend. You need no formal qualifications, there's no age limits on it. Tends to be more mature people who are in employment who come on the course, but there's no requirement for that at all. Very much a day off for those who attend. You very soon make friends and help each other out. There's no great emphasis on the theory. There's no need for that knowledge either. We'll deal with it as we go along. It's very much based on practical operations, on the type of things that you will do out on site, on a golf course, in a farm, in public authority, or any other type of functioning mechanical situation. We look at the operations of the machines, the way that they're used. We stick very much to basic principles, the operating principles of them. We don't mind what colour the machines are, or how old they are, how new they are, and we're always interested. We actively invite customers to bring their own machines in with them for us to work on, which keeps us up to date as well as the customers. If you need more information on the mechanics course, please have a look at the website for the college or to phone into Short Course Department. Thank you.